In this video, I will give you the answers to the Learn and Earn Coinbase quiz about AMP. And as you guys can see, after you've done this quiz, you will have $3 worth of AMP in your wallet. Now let's get right into it. So the first question is, what is AMP? Now the options are on the screen as of right now, and the correct answer is a collateral token. So that's $1 worth of AMP we've just earned. Now the second question is, what does AMP provide on the Flexa network? And the answer is instant settlement assurance. And there you go, that's $2 already. And now the last and third question, what can you earn by staking AMP on Flexa? And the correct answer is AMP rewards. And you've just earned $3. And if you want to get the answers to the other quizzes on Coinbase, make sure to watch these videos on your screen right now. And of course, you could also leave a like or leave a comment that it worked for you. And that's all.